I always start fertilizing my roses in the springtime right after I do my severe pruning, usually the first or second week of April, and then I just fertilize all summer long very consistently, once a month. So if I prune on the 10th of April and fertilize them, I'll fertilize on the 10th of May, 10th of June, 10th of July. And here we are getting towards the end of summer, and this is the best rose food that we use. It's Fertilize rose and flower food, but it's got a systemic insecticide as well too. So not only does it feed the roses, but it controls insects as well too. And generally that August application is my last application for the season, so we're getting close to that. You know, do one more application. We use a 1/4 cup of the rose food with systemic per rose, sprinkled on the ground around the roses, and then pretty much by the first or second week of August, we're doing our last application. We don't want to fertilize anymore. So in September and October, even though the roses might be producing like crazy in September, we don't want to fertilize them anymore. So our last application of rose food with systemic should be applied sometime in August, and then we're not fertilizing the rest of the year. We want them to go dormant, get ready for winter, get them prepared to winterize and really make them hardier through the winter time. So Fertilize rose food with systemic one more time in August, and we're all done for this year.